today I'm going to show you how to make a choker. I recently purchased this choker from Amazon.com. It was for about, I think, 200 rupees, and I really regret getting this because a lot of my friends said chokers are quite in nowadays, and so I decided on getting this, but it was a big, huge mistake. So now I'm going to show you how to make a choker on your own, and it totally depends on the stuff that is available to you next to your places, because for me there was this shop in Lajpat Nagar which is called wow, I can't remember what it was called. Itsy Bitsy, right? It was called Itsy Bitsy, and it's in the main market. It's a big, huge place, so everyone knows about it now. They also have an online portal where you can go and sort of order the stuff. Anyway, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it. Now, the required things are basically a thread. Now this thread can be of any color or shape, whatever you want your choker to look like. I've bought a multicolored string, but you can also bring a black leather string, or a black thread or a black lace, whatever fancies you. Now these are some old earrings that were lying around. Like you guys can see, these were some old earrings that were lying around at my place, and I really liked them, but the other ones are lost. The other pair is lost, so I didn't know what else to do but to make this. This was like a clip-on one, and these were the rest. The next thing that you'll be needing are these little pieces of metal which are round. I don't know what they're called exactly, but you'll be needing them. You'll also be needing some sort of hooks. You also get this in the same Itsy Bitsy store. You also find them online in craft stores, and these are basically to hold the material in, and so that you can put the chain from this side or from this end. And the first step is also you'll be needing a plier to tighten all of them. You'll be needing a pair of scissors, and you'll be needing whatever pendants that you want, basically. So the first step is you measure this according to your neck size. Now a lot of you might do this with an inchy tape, but I just take this around my neck and I measure it and keep it a little tight, because the chain is also going to occupy some of the space, right? So we want to make it tight and not loose. So this is I measured it, and this is the length. I'm going to cut it from here. Okay, so the next step is these hoops that I showed you, right? You put them in to the fabric and you take the plier. Okay, and you have to be very careful because the thread will keep moving. So make sure your thread is not moving, and then you just tighten it a bit. When you tighten it, it will look something like this, but there's a hole above for the output or whatever. This is the second one. Again, do the same thing. You just take the piece. Now see, it does tend to slip, especially if it's not like a lace and it's just stupid thread. So you will have quite some time you'll be doing this, because it did take me a lot of time when I was first making this video. Okay, another thing that's very important is for you to have those S-shaped hooks, for the ends. What I did was that I had this old necklace of mine, and it broke from the middle. I got it from Forever 21. However, I used to wear it every day, and it just sort of broke from the middle, So I used both the sides, the S part and that whole long chain part, which you can sort of tighten, etc. Anyway, after you're done with doing it on both the sides, all that is left is for you to attach the S, and then attach whatever pendant you want with this hoop that I showed you earlier. You can tighten it with a plier, and then you just enter your necklace with this, and that's it. Your choker is all done. So what's really important is for you to have like this S shape in the end. What I did was like what I told you what I did. So if you guys have that option, great, but if you don't, you'll have to get those, and they're very very cheap, because I got this thread for like about 10 rupees. It was a really long thread, and I did get these hoops very very cheap. I did get these hooks very very cheap from the same store. So I do recommend you guys to make chokers on your own, especially because it is really cheap to do so. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my videos. This is going to be my very first video, and I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much.